Hello everyone, let me introduce web development course to you. This course provides the complete detailed knowledge on UI technologies or web development tools such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Both HTML4 and HTML5 versions are covered, plus CSS2 and 3 also covered. JavaScript 5, 6, 7 versions will be covered, plus jQuery, jQuery UI, Ajax topics will be covered. The HTML4 covers the basic tags of HTML like headings, paragraphs, tables, forms, iframe, etc. HTML5 comes with some new features such as new input types, drag and drop API, canvas, audio tag, video tag, local storage, session storage, web workers, etc. In CSS2, some of the basic CSS styles are provided such as colors, fonts, text effects, background images, background colors, list style type, box model, border, shadow, margin, padding, and some basic selectors of CSS like ID selector, class selector, grouping selector, adjacent sibling selector, how to style up the tables, hyperlinks, how to create a simple menu bar, how to create a page header, how to work with the div tags and how to style it, etc. And also this course covers the page template development such as static page template and a responsive web page template. In responsive web page template, you are able to design your web page for multiple devices such as laptops, desktops, mobiles, having different resolutions. And in JavaScript, we covered the basic concepts such as operators, control statements, functions, arrays, object-oriented programming in JavaScript such as object literals, constructor functions, stringfy, keys, JSON, prototype, etc. and DOM manipulations, type conversions, validations, and Ajax. In JavaScript 6, we have some advanced concepts such as classes, constructors, inheritance, method overriding, arrow functions, default arguments, destructuring, string interpolation, constants, REST operator, etc. And in jQuery, we cover manipulation of content, that means append, prepend, before, after, append to, wrap all, etc. and event handling like click event, double click event, focus, blur, change, key press, key up, on, off, context menu, etc. and manipulation of attributes, manipulation of CSS, animations, and how to work with the jQuery selectors, how to import CDN, how to work with jQuery UI, jQuery plugins, jQuery validation plugins, jQuery Ajax, etc. Thank you. We will meet in the actual lessons.